Camels, the ships of the desert, masters of survival in one of the harshest environments on Earth. These majestic creatures have fascinated humans for millennia. From ancient trade routes to modern-day caravans, camels have played an essential role in our history. But did you know that camels are far more than just desert animals? Prepare to be amazed as we uncover the top 5 most surprising facts about camels in today's episode of Amazing World Facts. Let's start by clearing up one of the biggest myths about camels. Do they really store water in their humps? Contrary to popular belief, camels don't store water in their humps. Instead, the humps are made of fat, which can weigh up to 80 pounds. So, what's the purpose of these fat-filled humps? Camels have evolved to store energy in their humps to survive long periods without food. In the desert, where resources are scarce, these humps act like energy reserves. But the real magic happens in their blood and body systems. Camels can drink up to 40 gallons of water in just one go and have specialized red blood cells that allow them to survive long periods without water. These oval-shaped red blood cells help them continue to function even when dehydrated. Their bodies are a masterpiece of survival. Instead of sweating, camels regulate their body temperature efficiently to conserve water. Plus, their thick fur helps insulate them from the scorching heat during the day and the freezing temperatures at night. They've truly mastered the art of surviving in extreme conditions. Next up, let's talk about the amazing adaptations camels have for dealing with the desert's harsh conditions. Have you ever noticed a camel's long eyelashes and unique nostrils? Those long, luscious lashes aren't just for looks. They act like a shield, protecting camels' eyes from the sand and dust that constantly blow across the desert. But that's not all. Camels have a second set of eyelids that are transparent, allowing them to see while keeping their eyes protected during sandstorms. And what about their noses? Camels have the ability to close their nostrils to prevent sand from getting in. When they do breathe, their noses are designed to trap moisture. This moisture is then reabsorbed by their bodies, helping camels conserve water, a feature that makes them true desert survivors. Did you know there are 2 main types of camels? The dromedary with 1 hump and the Bactrian with 2. Each type has unique traits suited for the environment it inhabits. The dromedary camel, also known as the Arabian camel, is found primarily in the deserts of North Africa and the Middle East. These camels are built to handle extreme heat, and their single hump provides just enough fat storage for long treks across the desert. On the other hand, Bactrian camels live in the cold, mountainous regions of Central Asia, such as the Gobi Desert. Their 2 humps give them additional fat storage, helping them survive in regions where food is scarce. They also have thicker fur, perfect for colder climates. These evolutionary differences have allowed each camel species to thrive in vastly different environments. It's fascinating how nature shapes animals to perfectly suit their surroundings. Think camels are only good for desert travel? Think again. Camels are actually incredibly versatile animals with a range of uses. Throughout history, camels have been used as beasts of burden, transporting goods across the Silk Road and other ancient trade routes. They've even been used in war. In fact, camel cavalry units were a common sight in ancient armies, as camels could carry heavy loads and travel long distances without needing much water. But that's not all. Did you know camels are also an essential source of food? Camel milk is incredibly nutritious, containing high levels of vitamin C, protein, and other essential nutrients. In some parts of the world, camel milk is considered a superfood. It's also easier to digest for people who are lactose intolerant. No wonder camels are such valuable animals to many desert-dwelling communities. Even today, camels play a vital role in the livelihoods of millions of people, not just for transportation, but for their meat, milk, and wool. The versatility of camels is a testament to their value beyond just desert travel. . Camels aren't just about endurance and strength. They're also highly social and intelligent animals. Many people don't realize how close-knit camel herds are and how they interact with one another. Camels communicate with each other through a range of vocalizations, including grunts, moans, and bellows. They also use body language to express emotions, like affection or irritation. Some herders claim that camels can recognize people, and studies suggest they have excellent memories. In terms of intelligence, camels are problem solvers. When faced with obstacles, they can figure out the best way to navigate difficult terrain, and they even display signs of empathy, often comforting one another when stressed. Camels are far from the stubborn creatures they're sometimes made out to be. They're actually quite sensitive and intuitive. So, the next time you see a camel, remember that these incredible animals are much more than just desert dwellers. From their fascinating evolutionary adaptations to their social lives and intelligence, camels are truly one of the most remarkable creatures on Earth. Thanks for joining us on this journey of discovery. If you enjoyed learning about camels, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Amazing World Facts for more incredible insights into the natural world. See you next time.